don't know if you can see that. It's oh, a real live mountain goat, rather high up, and the kid. Yeah, we're slightly further up than I was when I did the last video, down there. That's all I wanted to show you really.